Let's learn some aircraft tools and their functions. Wrench. Used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Adjustable wrench. A wrench that can adjust to different bolt sizes. Socket wrench. Used with sockets to remove or tighten bolts quickly. Screwdriver. Used to tighten or loosen screws. Phillips screwdriver. Used for cross-head screws. Flathead screwdriver. Used for straight slot screws. Pliers. Used to hold, bend, or cut wires. Needle nose pliers. Used in tight spaces to grip small parts. Safety wire pliers. Used to twist safety wire to lock bolts. Hammer. Used to hit or shape metal parts. Torque wrench. Used to tighten bolts with correct force. Vernier caliper. Measures length, thickness, and diameter. Micrometer. Measures very small thickness precisely. Steel ruler. Measures straight lengths. Feeler gauge. Measures small gaps between parts. Dial indicator. Measures small movement or vibration. Electric drill. Used to drill holes in metal. Pneumatic drill. Air-powered drill used in aircraft work. Rivet gun. Used to install rivets on aircraft skin. Angle grinder. Used to cut or smooth metal surfaces. Rivet set. Used with rivet gun to shape rivets. Bucking bar. Used behind rivets during installation. Safety wire. Used to lock bolts and nuts securely. Torque seal. Shows if a bolt has moved. Tube cutter. Used to cut metal tubes cleanly. Flaring tool. Used to flare tube ends. Bore scope. Used to inspect inside engines. Safety goggle. Protects eyes from debris. Ear protection. Protects ears from loud noise. Gloves.